Stargirl, Esperanza Rising, the Artemis Fowl series, the Spiderwick Chronicles, Chocolate Calculator, 3D puzzle books, Klutz craft kits, Captain Underpants, Judy Moody, the Animorphs Books, the Wishbone Books, Chicken Soup for the Soul, Holes, Novelty Pencil Sharpeners, a series of unfortunate events, Password Journals, the Magic Tree Houseseries, pens adorned with animals whose eyes popped out, the American Girl Books, sticker books, the Junie B. Jones series, National Geographic Kids, Jelly Bracelets, Animal Posters, the Harry Potter series, Flexible Pencils, Magic Eye Books, books with attached toys or jewelry, Novelty Erasers, I Spy Books, Ripley's Believe It or Not, Guinness World Records Books, Scary Stories to Tell in the Dark, Scary Stories to Tell in the Dark, Bookmarks, the Goosebumps series, Rainbow Pens, the Scholastic Catalog.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.